Welcome back to Dice Paper Miniatures. Well, you could say this is part 2 of the Horus Heresy's preview from last night's Adepticon live show. I mean, awesome. Let's jump in. So yeah, we got 2 Horus Heresy previews from last night. The first one, that awesome cinematic trailer, and the second one actually brings us a preview of some of the models from that new set. Let's take a look. So the Beakies are back. Yeah, I'm back from the original Rogue Trader days, and my very first box set of Space Marines were the Mark VI Beakies, so this is cool. Super cool. So yeah, here we go. Of course, a new edition of Horus Heresy needs more than just an incredible trailer and logo. It requires some new miniatures. Hell yeah. The heart of any good Horus Heresy army is its Legion tactical squads. And we have some good news for fans of Warhammer 40k and the Age of Darkness. Beaky Marines are back. Oh yeah. This, gotta be honest, I really have some nostalgia vibes. And I love those original Mark VI from almost 40 years ago now. but this is a humongous improvement of the original. I actually think they're a little bit, they look like they might be more true scale, which I'm okay with that. These look awesome. I dig it. Definitely. Yeah. All right. So this might not be the first time we've seen Mark VI power armor in plastic. That would have been the very first ever plastic kit for Warhammer 40k. But this brings them up to date with the Mark III, Mark IV, with loads of options. But wait, there's more. For Warhammer fans of a certain age, yeah, old, this release hits right in nostalgia. Just like I said, the Beaky Marine back in plastic, now in a detailed and flexible kit. Wow, it's like deja vu. Even if you're not quite long enough in the tooth to have memories of Rogue Trader, these miniatures are an amazing representation of the Dread Legions of the Age of Darkness. Yes, they are. Of course, you'll need someone to lead them into battle, so say hello to a plastic Praetor. Nice. This model, this is badass. It's kind of cool because now that they can kind of revise their history a little bit, or refresh it, if you will. Some of those chaos motifs, like the pointed stars, when you have like a model like the Praetor with the top knot and even more skulls, and with like what looks like a traditional star's emblem, how that could morph into a chaos pointed star, it's like it's a cool segue piece, I think. Yeah, I think this is kind of how you're able to tie in from the aesthetic of the original Space Marine chapters and how the chaos kind of morphed from those. So I dig this. And it's got a tactical rock, so it's ready for action. All right, so Praetors are mighty warriors and can represent Lord Commanders, Jarls, Khans, and more, depending on your legion. As with the tactical Marine, the Praetor is legion agnostic, meaning you can easily use them in your favorite legion. Simply paint them as you want, and you are good to go. Awesome. So yeah, these are just the prime marks, of course, that you can get from Forge World. But yeah, so again, every Thursday in April, we're going to get model previews from the Warhammer Horus Heresy new box set. So stay tuned for that. These models look amazing. I am super excited that we're going to get some quality Mark VI Beaky models back into our, our legions, if you will. But yeah, what do you guys think? Are you as excited as I am that this Horus Heresy is bringing back the feels? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you haven't yet and you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. It really helps with the growth of the channel, and it's greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, and as always, be safe, take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.